All right, it's clause number 736-283, State of Texas versus Mark Voorhees. Are you Mark Voorhees?
Yes, sir.
Hey, Mark, do me a favor. Step a little closer to the camera, will you? I can barely see you. Perfect. All right. Could you, good morning, first of all. Could you raise your right hand?
Oh.
You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Voorhees. You can lower your hand. Mr. Voorhees, is it okay with you that we proceed by video conference?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. You are charged with unlawfully carrying of a weapon. That's a Class A misdemeanor, Mr. Voorhees, punishable by up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Voorhees, you have several legal rights. You have the right to remain silent. You also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. Mr. Voorhees, what that means is you could ask the state to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where your lawyer, Mr. DeWalt, could cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During that proceeding, Mr. Voorhees, your lawyer could call as many witnesses as he would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Mr. Voorhees, do you understand you have those rights?
Yes, sir.
You also understand that you do not have to give up those rights.
Yes, sir.
All right, but if you want to give them up, you can. And you do it by filling out this paperwork called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Mr. Voorhees, did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what's in these documents?
Yes, sir.
Great, because these documents tell the court that you do understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and then you further understand you have all of those trial rights we just talked about, but you're telling me that you want to give up those rights or waive them so that you can enter into an agreement with the state of Texas on this case. Is that what you'd like to do?
Yes, sir.
Great, then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Mr. Voorhees, evidently you have a plea bargain in this case. First thing you need to understand is I don't have to go along with your agreement. However, if I don't go along with your agreement for any reason, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you if that happens. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, Mr. Voorhees, do me a favor. Listen up. The state's going to tell us what the plea bargain is. Let's make sure it is what you agreed to. Go ahead, state.
A $0 fine, court costs 15 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that the judgment be satisfied.
Eric DeWalt, is that the agreement?
It is, Judge.
All right, Mr. Voorhees, is that the agreement?
Yes, sir.
All right, Eric. Does Mr. Voorhees have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against him?
In my opinion, yes, he does, Judge.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
He has.
In your opinion, is he legally competent to waive his rights and enter into this plea?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Mark Voorhees, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes, sir.
All right, please tell me how you plead to the Class A misdemeanor offense of unlawfully carrying of a weapon. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, sir.
Mr. Voorhees, you understand I can still find you guilty based upon that plea?
Yes, sir.
Anybody force you, threaten you, put you in fear, or promise you anything to make you plead?
No, sir. No, sir.
You're doing so freely and voluntarily.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. I will accept your plea of no contest. Upon that plea, I find you guilty of unlawfully carrying of a weapon, a Class A misdemeanor. I assess punishment at zero fine and cost of court 15 days in the Bexar County Jail. Cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, which means your judgment is satisfied by the time you've already served. Mr. Voorhees, this was a plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal. Mr. Voorhees, any questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right, you take care of yourself. Stay well, all right? Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Thank you. Merry Christmas as you too.
I appreciate that. Thanks, Eric. Good seeing you, brother.
You too, Judge. Thank you all.
Thank you, Eric. Sorry so late.
Oh, you're good. You're good.
Thank you, dude.
Harry, that's all I got for now.
That's all I have, Judge.
What happened with Tony Cantrell?
He's in room 1 conferring, Judge.
Okay.
Sorry,
Okay.
that's the last one.
What's
He already
NTR?
finished his paperwork. His client is signing, so it should be a few minutes. Let me
Yeah,
go check on him, Judge.
That should be quick. It's
And Jen, you got everything, Jen?
I have everything, Terry.
All right.
May it be this, Miss Judge?
Yes. Sunai, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Hey, listen, that last kid, Voorhees,
Yes.
there was a bunch of misspellings in the paperwork. They spelled his name Voorhees with a W, not an H.
Okay, I'll change
Yeah,
it.
yeah, it's in there several times. Okay.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hey, Tony.
Oh, okay, yeah, I'm sorry, come over here.
Yeah, come to the camera. He's ready.
Tony, I don't have your client's paperwork. Hopefully he's signing it and submitting it.
No, I just finished with him. It should be sent to you guys now.
Should be
Okay.
sent- It should be sent to you, Judge. Apparently he signed according to the bailiff.
I'm just waiting on it. I'm just waiting on it. Don't have it yet. There we go. Oh, nope, that's Mr. Voorhees. All right, is it Mr. Rudy Gonzalez, right?
It is, Your Honor.
All right, it's cause number, It's cause number 6799441, State of Texas versus Rudy Gonzalez. Are you Rudy Gonzalez?
Your Honor.
All right, good morning, sir. Can you raise your right hand, please, sir? You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. You can lower your hand. Mr. Gonzalez, is it okay with you that we proceed with your motion to revoke by video conference?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Looks like you were placed on 12 months of probation for the offense of driving while intoxicated on October the 27th of 2022, correct?
Your Honor.
State's filed a motion to revoke that community supervision, Mr. Gonzalez. You are aware of that, right?
Your Honor.
All right, speak up a little. They're going to read an allegation to you. Make sure you understand it. And then you're going to have to tell me if the allegation is true or not true. Go ahead, State.
On or about the 8th day of August 2024 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Rudy Gonzalez did then and there fail to complete 48 hours of community service restitution in violation of condition number 13.
All right, Mr. Gonzalez, do you understand that allegation against you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it true or not true?
Yes, Your Honor.
True or not true?
Mr.
one?
Gonzalez, remember we talked, you were
Yes.
going to plead true to this, remember?
Hey. Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, not yes, either true or not true. Pick one. True or not true? True. Thank you. State, are you proceeding on any other allegations?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gonzalez,
No
thanks, Tony. Are you aware that based upon that plea of true, Mr. Gonzalez, I could revoke your community supervision in this case?
Yes, Your Honor. I heard.
Has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, or promised you anything to make you plead true?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing so freely and voluntarily.
Yeah, what does that mean? I don't know what that means.
It means you're doing this of your own free will. Nobody's forcing you.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, perfect. Then I will accept your plea of true to a violation of condition 13. Is there an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is a $0 fine, court costs, and I believe currently we're at 86 days in the Bexar County Jail. Credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that the judgment be satisfied.
Mr. Cantrell, is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
Mr. Gonzalez, is that what you agreed to, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Hang on just a second then. Let me just put this voucher stuff. Okay, then I'm going to find it is true. You violated condition number 13 of your probation, Mr. Gonzalez. At this time, I revoke your community supervision, sentence you to 0 fine, the cost of court, 86 days in the Bexar County Jail. The cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, which means your judgment for this Class B misdemeanor DWI is satisfied by the time you've already served. Mr. Gonzalez, this was a revocation of probation. You have limited rights to appeal, which your lawyer could further advise you about. Mr. Gonzalez, do you have any questions, sir?
No, Your Honor.
You take care of yourself. Stay well. Merry Christmas.
Yes, sir. Happy holidays.
Thank you. I
Merry
appreciate
Christmas,
that.
Judge.
All right, you
Bye.
too, Tony. Good seeing you, lad.
Yes, sir.
All right, Terry, is that it?
I guess
sorry,
so,
Alex.
Sana.
Alex
Oh.
and Angelise are free to go. What?
Yeah, you don't need to talk to him, right, Val, already? No? Alex, okay.
No, he's done.
Okay, got it.
Tonight, I'm gonna send you the removal order. Can you stamp it?
Yes.
Okay, great. Thanks.
Anything else tonight? You need it? You got everything?
Just waiting for the refusals to come in for
Oh, the refusals?
Mm-hmm.
I got a clean page, Terry. I signed everything I had. So,
Which refusal?
Angelise, you're
you-
good. See you in the morning.
Oh, yeah. Bye, Angelise.
Thanks, everyone.
Um,
See you tomorrow.
I'm
Bye,
missing
everyone.
Michael and Gavin and Eugene. But I can ask, I guess, Jennifer if she has them.
Okay, let me,
May the state be excused, Your Honor?
Yeah, Terry, we're good, right?
Yeah, I think so. We're good with Mr. Alvoyd. Yes, sir.
All right, yeah, we'll see you in the morning, Austin.
Till tomorrow.
Right. There should only be one you should be getting, it's Jessica Zapata. That's it tonight is what, they're telling me.
Oh, okay.
The other two got
Yeah.
released on bond.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
okay.
signed them. I signed
Okay,
them.
then yes, I have Jessica. I just didn't know. The other ones had shown refused on the.
Yeah, they
list she
do. They
sent.
still refuse, but they've since bonded out. So both
Okay.
of those bonded out.
Okay,
Anything
great.
else you need tonight?
That was it.
That's it?
All right,
Okay.
guys, we'll see you in the morning.
Thank you.
Thank
See you
you. Bye.
tomorrow.
You.
Bye. Bye, Jess. See you on the way out. Thought we finished what we did. It's kind of late, but we did it. What time is it anyway? Oh, it's not bad for us. Oh, when are you leaving for Beeville, Judge?
Well, it's so. It's not like 10:30.
It's 10:22.
Yeah, I got like an hour. So
Okay.
I gotta go home. Where's my mom? I was somewhere.
By yourself, it's not too, yes.
Yeah. Oh, now you don't ask me if I got them. Harry will. Don't have charity.
No charity.
I am the charity. Yes.
We don't know. You don't care either. That's a lot, man. That's a lot of headache, man. So what do you time to get here? So 7, 8, 9, 10, in 4 hours, you're running around like a crazy person.